Hello class, today we're going to talk about angle relationships in quadrilaterals. So you might first ask yourself, what is a quadrilateral? Well, the word quadrilateral comes from the word quad. You hear of quad when you think of 4. So a quadrilateral is a polygon or shape that has 4 sides. And with 4 sides, because we are going to talk about angles, it also has 4 angles. So here are 3 examples of quadrilaterals. We have a rectangle, a parallelogram, and a diamond shape. So let's look at some properties of quadrilaterals in terms of angles. So the first one we're going to look at is the interior angle of any quadrilateral. Well, the first example of the quadrilateral here, the rectangle, we know what the interior angles are. They're all 90 degrees. So just like triangles, let's see what happens when we add them up. We would have a right angle is 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, that adds up to 360 degrees. If I were to figure out the angles of the other 2 quadrilaterals, I'd find out that when you add up all 4 angles, I would still get my 360 degree sum. So the rule of thumb for the interior angle of any quadrilaterals is that the sum of any quadrilaterals, so let's label it A, B, C, and D. If I add these interior angles up, I should get 360 degrees. Okay? So that's the first rule of angles in quadrilaterals. Now let's look at the exterior angle of any quadrilaterals. So let's grab our quadrilateral again. So the exterior angle, if you recall, is if I take an existing line from the shape and I extend it further. And I follow the same direction, so I'm going clockwise. And I extend all the sides. So now if I look at the exterior angles, because the interior angles before, A, B, C, D, the inside ones, they add up to 360. When I take the exterior angles and add those up, I will actually get 360 degrees as well. Try it out and see if this is what you get. But this is the property for the exterior angle of any quadrilateral. Alright, so let's try these properties out. Here's an example. Find the measure of the unknown angle in each quadrilateral. In the first example, I have angles A, B, C, D. But D is missing. It's represented by the letter X. So I'm going to need to find the measure of that angle. From our properties above, I know that all 4, when added up together, should equal 360. So to get my X value, I'm going to take 360 degrees and subtract each of my angles out. So angle A, subtract angle B, subtract angle C. So 360 minus 56 minus 95 minus 98. That gives me the value of 111 degrees. So my unknown angle X is 111 degrees. Let's try the other one out. So now here we see we have the exterior angles. Again, we know that all the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360. And this time I'm solving for the unknown variable y. So y is equal to 360 minus, we have angle E minus angle H minus angle F. So we have 360 minus 50 minus 88 minus 105. Here I get y is equal to 117 degrees.